So CFX is this position currently ranked 59th, which is great. Seeing it at an $800 million market cap. I believe this is higher than Lunac at this point. So rank 59th, you're seeing it at a 28 cent price, with about 2.7 billion coins that's out there. Is that billion? Yeah, 2.7 billion coins that's out there. No max supply, so that's something you would worry about a little bit. Total supply 5.2 billion. But again, you're looking at a decent market cap here, a decent position. Now, the dilution probably does worry me a little bit. You're looking at 1.5 billion-dollar market cap, a fully diluted market cap. You are seeing $136 million that flows through this position. So definitely has the popularity, I would say. You're looking at about less than, or sorry, more than 10% of the market cap when you see the volume, seeing 29% up in volume here. So again, $136 million. Definitely something that I can live with, and I'm sure other people can live with as well. Let's look at the history of the position. We've seen this up at $1.60 at one point, but I would imagine there was some form of dilution right within this, right? You see the price drop down from $1.60 all the way down to a level of about 2 cents. Let's look at the market cap. So you have seen this at a $1 billion market cap at the level of $1.60, but then you see it at this price down here, and it's at a level of 64 million. And then now you're looking at a higher market cap at this point of about $1.2 billion. However, you were at a way lower price of 39 cents, meaning that there was a massive form of dilution within the position. So can you see that continue? Who knows with that max supply and how it is introduced, and if it's something that where you will see consistent minting into the total supply, who really knows? That's something, again, that would worry me. There is the max supply and how much dilution would go into it as a long-term investor. As a short-term investor, maybe you can gain a decent amount as you find the right play or right moment. But right now, it does look like something that you would see a decent amount of dilution for unless you get a full explanation of that. But yeah, if I was looking to say whether I would buy into this position just based off of a short-term play, I probably could find the right moment for this, but it does look like it is at an $800 billion market cap, and it is sort of on the way down rather than the climb that we are seeing. I probably would have made a move back here if I was going to. It would have been like 2 cents to see it up at a level of 26 cents or even higher of 40 cents. That would have been phenomenal. But not saying that this is over, that you're never going to see anything higher. But if you compare this to the previous market cap that it was at, where you're seeing the highest point of a 1.2 billion, it has surpassed that already, which doesn't really, bode well for a lot of these positions or plays that are like that. Because again, you see things that you see it get to a higher market cap or break that level of a market cap, and it's either it continues to run or you see it fall back down and people start to, sell the position because of how much they gained. Like literally go from 2 cents up to 40 cents. You're gaining so much. It's a 20x return for you in that position if you were able to invest in this position at a level of 2 cents versus the 40 cents that it is at of a high. So again, I wouldn't make the move into it. It does look like it can have some short-term potential if you find it. I wouldn't make a move into it because of the fact that it is at a higher point market cap wise, and a way higher point price wise. At this point, you're investing in a position that has run so much compared to where it was just a few months ago. So it's not saying that this is a horrible position or horrible play for a lot of people. It's just saying for me, it's not part of my strategy because it has grown so much over this last, um, you know, 3 months. So, and that's just me. Again, that's just me. But it does look like something that could have some more potential to grow. It's just you have to maybe look into the use case a little bit more to see the long-term effect to it. But short term, it's like it's very iffy. I want something that's kind of confirmed, you know?